Hello, I'm Superintendent Marian Kim Phelps, and I wanted to share some information with you about Measure P for Poway Unified Schools. Measure P is a general obligation bond measure on the March 2020 ballot that would generate funds for the repair and improvement of all of our school facilities. The money would fund campus safety and security projects at all PUSD schools, as well as modernizing our buildings and creating future-focused classrooms, and addressing the growth and energy efficiency projects. We all know that Poway Unified has a national reputation for educational excellence. However, the state of many of our facilities may not necessarily reflect that. A few of our schools are newer, but the average age of our schools are now 30 years old. We have rotted rain gutters pouring down on students, cracking and broken stucco walls all over our schools, air conditioning systems that still run on ice blocks that break down frequently, and musty smelling portables over 30 years old. A recent facilities assessment found that 62% of our campuses will be in poor condition in just 3 years by 2023. It breaks my heart that our students are exposed to these types of learning environments. Our children deserve so much better. The facts are, Poway Unified School District is the lowest funded unified school district in San Diego County and amongst the lowest in the state. In addition, many of you may not be aware that school districts receive no state funding for facility improvements and upgrades. As a result, school districts have to rely on communities to pass bond measures. It's been over a decade since Poway Unified has asked our community to pass a bond measure, while San Diego Unified has passed 3 multi-billion-dollar bonds during that time. By passing a bond measure, a community is saying, yes, we support our local schools and are willing to invest in them and support them. We want our schools to remain the pinnacles of our communities, and we want to ensure that they are continually maintained, upgraded, and in the best possible condition for the future generations. With the passing of Measure P, this will allow Poway Unified to qualify for up to $90 million in state matching funds that would otherwise go to other school districts. We have some of the smartest students in the country, but our classrooms don't adequately meet their needs. Many of our classrooms look just like they did when you and I went to school. Can you imagine what our students could do if they had the learning environments that supported where they are and where they need to go for their future? People don't move to Poway Unified to own beachfront property. People move here because of our schools. Real estate agents advertise top-ranked PUSD schools in their listings as key selling points. If we don't pass a bond measure, the only place where we can divert funds to address our growing facility needs is to reduce the budget in our general fund, which funds all of our programs and people. The people and programs in Poway Unified are what make our educational programs and our reputation so strong. I just ask that you please get informed and vote. Measure P needs 55% approval to pass. Thank you for doing your part in ensuring that we can continue to prepare our students for college, career, and life. Thank you for your partnership.